Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lainey. Today we have a haul for you guys. Most of the stuff is thrifted. I think everything besides two things that were on my wish list. So I caved during Black Friday. I felt like it was appropriate. Yeah, everything else is secondhand. You guys know that, maybe you guys don't know. I haven't been able to go like in-person thrifting recently. Just being a mom, it's a little bit harder. Whether it's leaving the baby and feeling guilty about not being there with her, or bringing her and not being able to focus and like actually thrift. Because if you guys thrift, you know that like it takes time. So I've been doing a lot more like Depop whatnot shopping. So I'm excited to show you guys those finds, and then we're gonna try them on. It'll be fun. I love a good haul. I haven't done a haul in 2 months, so I'm excited. And also, as always, I will be styling these pieces. Some of them I already styled in my past video if you haven't seen it, freezing cold outfits, and you guys will see these in next season's freezing cold outfits, in spring outfit videos, in just outfit videos period. So I don't mind showing clothing items and, you know, purchasing new things because I show you 1,010 ways to style them. Yay! Okay, before we get into this video though, I did want to say thank you so much to BetterHelp for sponsoring. Even though retail therapy might have been my go-to form of therapy, I can definitely say that it is not the best. My friends and family have been using BetterHelp, like very close friends and family have been using BetterHelp, I think since 2020. So I've known about it personally since then. I'm really excited to start back up because obviously I've been busy and like self-help and taking care of yourself is normally the first thing to fall off when becoming a mom. But with such a big life change, I think that I definitely need some therapy. Postpartum depression is like such a real thing for new moms. Luckily, that wasn't something I had to deal with, but there are so many other emotional roller coasters, I'll call them, because they're not all bad when it comes to being a new mom, a first-time mom, all those kinds of things. So if you guys haven't heard of BetterHelp before, they connect you with licensed therapists who are trained to listen and give you helpful, unbiased advice. Starting therapy can be so difficult, and the right therapist might not be in your area. And some people, very much me, find face-to-face therapy uncomfortable. You can do therapy as a phone call, video call, or even just like messaging if that's what you prefer. BetterHelp can match you with over 30,000 therapists in their network, which again just gives you access to a wider range than would be offered in your area. If any of these things sound enticing to you, you can go to betterhelp.com/Lainey or click the link in the description box to connect with your therapist. Getting started is super easy. You just take a questionnaire, and then in most cases, like 48 hours or less, you get matched with a therapist. You'll obviously be able to schedule your therapy sessions to whatever is most convenient for you. And then if you try out a certain therapist and you don't feel like it's the right match, which is like super common when starting therapy, you can switch up your therapist at no additional cost and not worry about like insurance and all that kind of stuff. Over 4 million people have used BetterHelp and are living happier, healthier lives. If you think you would benefit from therapy, you can go to betterhelp.com/Lainey or click the link in the description box. Clicking the link supports my channel, but also gives you 10% off of BetterHelp. Thank you again to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. Let's get into the clothes. Okay, I'm gonna start off with my non-thrifted pieces. I'm pretty sure I said 2, there's 3 because I'm wearing one of them. Oh my God, I've got good stuff. First piece is what I'm wearing. This little long sleeve black t-shirt. It is literally just a plain long sleeve black t-shirt I got off Gap. I cut off the collar and then I cut off the little like sleeve cuff. So they're a bit more of a slouchy sleeve like I talked about, and a wider neck. This I think was around $6 on Gap during Black Friday, and I knew I wanted a long sleeve black t-shirt. And again, like this is something I could have thrifted, but I didn't go into a thrift store. This is exactly what I needed. It's such a basic, and Gap is really great quality, so I didn't mind purchasing from them, and you're gonna see it again all the time. So the next things I got from Gap, you would have seen in my freezing cold outfits video. And again, they're just like super basics, and I feel like it makes sense to get them from Gap. I think they were $12 on sale. They were really inexpensive. This is just a black cardigan. I like that it's not cropped. It is, I'm pretty sure it's 100% cotton. There's like no polyester in here. Let me double check. Yeah, 100% cotton, so I liked that. And yeah, not much to say about it. A great layering piece, perfect for the fall, winter, and even the springtime. So I'm excited about that. And then because I knew I was gonna wear the crap out of that, I decided to get it in gray too. So the reason I didn't buy these before Black Friday, because I've been looking for them for so long, is because one, I was looking for them like secondhand on Depop, and when I would go into the thrift store for my baby, I would try and find the cardigans and like they just weren't out yet. Oh, I didn't pick these up because I wanted like a darker heathered gray, and they only had this lighter one, so I'm still on the lookout for like a dark heather gray, but I actually like this one so much more than I thought I would, so I'm happy I still picked it up. Yeah, just really great quality. Again, I'll keep them forever because those are like actually timeless pieces. You wear them, you know, unbuttoned, buttoned, whatever the style calls for at that time. Right now, I like it completely buttoned or just one buttoned at the top with like a white baby doll t-shirt, or not baby doll, a white t-shirt underneath. Super cute. So that's everything that I bought new. All the rest is used, secondhand. Okay, this top is literally so stinking cute. If you're on Depop, you've probably seen it because it had so many saves and like. It's a Moschino little ruffled, like hot pink shirt. I bought this kind of on a whim because I was like, I don't know if my boobs are gonna fit in that because breastfeeding. But I was like, if they don't, like they'll fit after. They fit, and this top is so beautiful. I've always been a fan of these kind of like ruffles. I used to have a leotard that had like these kind of ruffles, and it was my favorite leotard ever. So when I saw it, it was just like super sentimental. It was 70 bucks, which is like a lot for Moschino jeans. I'm pretty sure that's like the cheaper version of Moschino. I didn't care. I like it so much. I wanted to buy it, and I will say that if I wasn't filming this video, I wouldn't have bought it. Then I was like, oh, well, I'm gonna film a haul video, so I can buy it, okay? And I have so many outfit ideas for that, so you guys will see it. I think I wanna do a holiday lookbook. Let me know if you guys would like that, because then again, I got some really cute pieces that would be adorable for the holiday season. If you guys watched my freezing cold outfit video, you would have seen this skirt. The brand is Campagna Italiana. Oh my god, my mom and Nana are cringing at how I just pronounced that. But what can I say? I'm American. This little midi cheetah skirt was like hit all the boxes for what I wanted in a midi skirt. It's the perfect length. It kind of has that like mermaid cut with little ruffles on the bottom. I got this from Whatnot. I'll put the username of the shop I got it from because I got 3 skirts from her, and she had amazing pieces for such steals. I can't remember exactly how much these cost. Maybe I can put it on screen because I can't remember, but they were really inexpensive. This with like knee-high boots, kitten heels in the summertime, but I want to wear like this and this top together, like such Devin Lee Carlson with a pair of kitten heels. That'd be so stinking cute in the summertime. Like Carrie Bradshaw, early 2000s. My mic is messing up my shirt. Okay, next skirt I got from, again, that same Whatnot seller. I told you guys I was looking for a little polka dot skirt. So when I purchase on Whatnot, I normally search the item and then I'll just like pre-bid on it, and I'm not actually attending the live show because honestly it's hard to attend live shows with like a baby and not knowing what my schedule is gonna be. This one's City DKNY. I actually love DKNY. I didn't even know that. It's just a little midi polka dot skirt, and if you guys watched my video, you would have seen that like I rolled it up to be a super mini skirt. That's what I like about these midi skirts, is you could like roll them up or wear them low-waisted and kind of, you know, zhuzh on how you want to style it. But I thought that this was just like such a cute piece. I love the polka dot. Cheetah print and polka dots, I think are so adorable. I love cheetah print. I really want like a cheetah print bag. I think that would be so cute. Okay, last skirt I got is this one from Max Studio, but it's from Whatnot. And it's just like a little mermaid black skirt. I didn't have anything this length and black, and I thought the ruffle on the bottom was cute. Honestly, I bid on it because it was like super inexpensive, and I was like, if I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. And I got it, and I already styled it once. So I think I'll be able to work that in so many outfits because I only have like maxi skirts. I've got 2 more items from Depop. If you guys watched my Christmas wish list video last year, so a year ago, I wanted one of these military, what are they called? Military liners. That's all. It's a military liner. And I have like that issue where if there's more than one available, I get overwhelmed and I can't decide which one I want, and then I don't get any of them. So that happened for a year where I could not decide which military liner I wanted. I didn't know if I wanted like the actual vintage military liner or if I wanted like one from Everlane or Abercrombie or Aritzia. Like they all have them, and I got so overwhelmed. And then Aritzia was having a really good sale on one, and they had one that was for sale for like like $40, originally like $200, but I didn't get there in time. And then the other one they had on sale was like $90 instead of $200. And I had it in my cart. I was ready to check out and I was like, what am I doing? I'm not getting this. And then I went on Depop and I looked, and this person was selling military liner and something else I wanted. And the thing about me is on Depop, it's very hard for me to purchase one thing because the shipping is so irritating. But if somebody's got bundles on their shop and then I put 2 things in my cart and the shipping's free, I'm checking out. So that's why I checked out. And I love this jacket so much. Brandon's obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with it. It's just the true military liner jacket. It was like $25, I think. And I'm really happy with it. I love it. Worn it every day since I bought it. I haven't even washed it yet, so disgusting. Then this guy was also selling. I literally say this guy because I was his first sale, and he messaged me on the app and he was like, first sale, woohoo, I'll ship it out tomorrow. And I was just so excited and I was like, I can't wait. So I trust him now and I'm wearing his clothes on. I'll wash them when I get home. Okay, then this was the other thing I got from his shop. I love this like mossy oak real tree print, and it had a collar on it and I cut it off to be like slouchy. I'm sorry if that's controversial, but I think that this was around 20 bucks as well because I spent like $40 on his shop, I'm pretty sure. So yay, I'm very excited about it, and it's definitely something I'm gonna wear all the time, like either just to lounge in or not like dress up, but you know, look a bit cuter. I love that kind of camo, like hunting camo. Okay, only 2 more items. I really didn't like go crazy. You guys would have seen this little jacket in my video. So I went thrifting for the baby, and this thrift store I went to, they were like remodeling. So the only part that was open was women's. And I actually like brought Brandon and was ready to like kind of dig in and thrift, but the baby just like wasn't having it. So I only got through the jackets, and this was all I found for $6. It was this little horsey fleece jacket, and it's the brand. I'm so sorry. I really thought there was a tag. Somebody asked in my other video and like I just hadn't gotten to the jacket, but the tag is completely cut off. I'm so sorry because this jacket's so good. But if you just search like horse fleece jacket, you'll find a million like this, but this one's the best because I've searched online before. And this one's so warm. Like I was wearing this, I think it was like 25 degrees outside. I had this with just a t-shirt on underneath and I was warm enough. It was insane. I was prepared to be frozen, and it's like knit and fleece and so nice, and I'm obsessed with it, and I'm sorry that I'm like talking it up so much and there's no way for you to get it. Why do people like thrift? Okay, but I also like that that one's just a bit smaller. I really almost left without it because it was the only thing I found, and like, you know, not like the baby was crying in there or anything, but she was just like wiggly and wanted to like crawl around on the nasty floor. So obviously we had to like get out of there quick because we couldn't let her do that. And Brandon was like, no, just check out, just get it. It's $6, just get it, just get it. And I'm like, okay. And I'm so happy I got it because again, I've been wearing that nonstop. I think like I could put that underneath the little army liner when it gets cooler out, and it's like waterproof perfection. Okay, the last thing I got are these Asics, which I feel like are so random, but if you ever want to stop wearing something, have your mom get it and wear it every day. Just kidding. Sorry, Lisa. But you guys know that I wear my black Adidas Sambas literally 24/7. I'm obsessed with them. People say they're basic. People say they're lame. I say they're the coolest. But my mom got a pair, not of black Adidas Sambas, but black Adidas's. And she's been wearing them every single day, and I hang out with my mom almost every day, and like when we go out and we're in our matching little black Adidas's, and hers look like Sambas. Like they're not like gazelles. I don't know what they are. I don't know, something in my brain is just like doesn't want me to wear my black Adidas's. And yeah, so I felt like it was okay, time to get a different shoe. I wanted a darker shoe, and I'm just into Asics. I like them. I like Onitsukas and Asics right now. So these are gel. I don't know, I got them off Goat. So they're like new, but you know, somebody had them. That's why I'm counting them as secondhand. Sure. They were under 100 bucks and they're like a really nice brown color. I wore them with like my black pinstripe pants and I thought that was really cute. I wore them today with just like black joggers. I think they'll be cute with like dark gray socks or even like a pop of color sock. In the summertime, they'll still be really cute. Yeah, I'm happy with them. They're like plum. I can link them in the description for you guys. Oh, GT2160 Asics. And I just like that they didn't have white laces. I was hemming and hawing between a few pair of Asics, but these ones were the cheapest and I liked them all. So I was like, oh, I'll get these, and they're super comfy. So I like this. That's all I got. Yay. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video. Remember to check out BetterHelp. You can use the link in the description box or go to betterhelp.com/Lainey for 10% off finding being your therapist. And that's it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. I love you so much. Bye.